What's up, kitchen kin folks? Big Mister here, and it is pumpkin spice season, and I hate every minute of it. God damn, I hate pumpkin spice. You know what? I'm starting anti-pumpkin spice, anti-pumpkin season here on the Big Mister channel. Can't stand it, and we're gonna move on with that. I'm gonna make everything I can without pumpkin. So today, I'm gonna start off with a sweet potato hash. If you're gonna have sweet potato hash, you're gonna need some sweet potatoes. This is about 3 small sweet potatoes, but if you get bigger ones, you can use less. I start off softening up my sweet potatoes. A little bit of water in the pan. Just gonna kind of let them steam there. I'm gonna cover that up and let them soften up for about 10 minutes. And once the potatoes are fork tender, you're gonna drain off whatever water's left. Gonna hit them with some avocado oil. Then we're gonna hit it with some vegetables. Got some yellow onion, a seeded jalapeno. I'm sorry, that was yellow bell pepper and red onion. Got some pretty colors. Now you know I gotta season my damn food. But while I'm doing this, let me ask you, do you eat sweet potato for breakfast? Or do you always just stick with regular potatoes? Let me know in the comments. So I'm hitting this with some salt, pepper, cayenne, and just a pinch of cinnamon. Just because it works well with the sweet potatoes. You'll notice I didn't add any sugar to this because it's a savory dish. And plus, the sweet potatoes will have enough sweetness of their own. And some will come from that yellow bell pepper too. But don't always associate sweet potatoes with sweet. And don't associate them with that damn pumpkin. Now you just want to move these around in your pan and cook them until you get a little color on your potatoes and your vegetables soften up a bit. Then all you got to do is pair that hash up with some sausage and some eggs, and you got a wonderful pumpkin-free breakfast. Did I mention I don't like pumpkin spice? All right, y'all. Appreciate you stopping by and checking out my sweet potato hash. It is totally pumpkin-free, as will be the rest of my recipes. Be sure and hit that subscription button down at the bottom and hit the notification bell right next to it so you're notified every time I make a pumpkin-free recipe. Love all y'all. I'm about to bounce. Deuces.
I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down.